안녕하세요. This tutorial is a requested one. I've never had a requested one. This is my first requested video. And it's requested by this beautiful girl, beautiful Korean girl that I met at a bathroom of a nightclub. Her name is Yejin. 예진님 보고 계신가요? I don't know if she's able to speak English. I didn't ask her. I don't even have a contact info of her. I just gave her my business card, which has my YouTube info in it. So she could be watching or she could not be watching. I was pretty drunk. I don't know if she was drunk, so she might not remember, but she requested a video for her and she wanted me to shout out to her. Shout out to 예진님. So this is what I'm gonna do. 예진님, 당황하지 마세요. 제가 영어로 말을 하는 이유는 좀 더 국제적인 뷰어를 타겟으로 하기 위해서 전 보통 영어로 말을 한답니다. 그렇지만 이 비디오는 예진님께서 요청하신 것이기 때문에 제가 섞어서 할게요. 영어랑 한국어랑 섞어서 서브타이틀, 자막도 조금 넣어가면서 예진님이 이해하실 수 있게 한번 해볼게요. 부끄럽지만 해보겠습니다. What did I just say? The look she wanted was the look that I was wearing that night. So I'm gonna do exactly the same to recreate that look. 자, 예진님 보세요. 제가 사용한 아이섀도는 이 Anastasia Beverly Hills Cosmos Palette 세포라에서 사실 수 있어요. 제가 사용한 색깔 이 회색, it's like metal gray shimmery eyeshadow 이 색깔 그리고 검정색 아니면 이 색을 그냥 사용하셔도 됩니다. And then for the under eyes, this is BH Cosmetics. Only on the under eye area though. 그리고 꼭 필요한 거 black eyeliner. What else? I'm gonna start. And I'm going to explain as we go. 자, 제가 그날 쓴 제품 그대로 사용할게요. Urban Decay All Nighter Ultra Glow Primer. And this doesn't have SPF, so if you're going out during the day, you must use sunscreen before this. Love this primer. It's so hydrating and it really grips the makeup. 자, 이 부분은 사실 옵션이에요. 굳이 하지 않으셔도 되고요. 제가 가진 아이섀도우 팔레트 중에서 이런 회색깔이 있는 게 있어요. 약간 metal gray. But this is not too sparkly, just as much as Cosmos palette. 약간 좀 더 매트한 회색으로 베이스를 깔아주기 위해서 just on the lids. And I'm also going to apply the color on the lower lash line. 그 다음에 코스모스 팔레트로 가서 이 화장의 포인트인 Mercury. 지금 회색깔 바르신 그 부분에 더 발라주세요. 탭, 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 탭. 문지르지 말고 팻, 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 팻 요렇게 색깔을 쌓아주세요. And then we go to this one. This is called Space Dust. 본인의 피부 색깔보다 약간 한 톤, 두 톤 정도 어두운 색깔? 이런 블렌딩 브러쉬로 여기 경계선 색깔을 더하면서 블렌드, 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 블렌드 해주세요. 아시겠나요? I'm gonna use a 조금 더 납작한 브러쉬로 검정색 아이섀도우를 사용해서 아주 살짝만 little by little only outer corner just build the color V shape을 만들어 주시면 돼요. Back to the blending brush and just blend the edge. 경계선을 연하게 blend. 여기에 V 쉐입을 만든다는 거 항상 명심을 하시고 블렌드를 해주시면 돼요. 여기는 나중에 컨실러로 클린업 하면 됩니다. Now the black eyeliner. 음하게 채워주시고 위쪽에도 tight line. We're going to apply the blue eyeshadow. 스머지 브러쉬를 사용하셔도 되고 펜슬 브러쉬를 사용하셔도 돼요. 자, 그러면 angle brush. 검정색 아이섀도우로 돌아가서 very close, 아주 가까이 검정색으로 make it more intense. 이렇게 하고 마스카라를 발라주시면 돼요. Always curler before mascara. Mascara mute. Let's move on to the face. 파운데이션을 바르기 전에 눈썹을 먼저 좀 색칠을 더 할 건데 지금 눈썹이 이미 조금 그려져 있죠. 그렇지만 다시 할 겁니다. You could use a regular brow gel, but I've been using just a hair gel for a long time, so I just do it, and I'm okay with it. I use this got to be styling spiking glue, and you need a spoolie like this. 이렇게 제품을 조금 바른 다음 눈썹의 털을 미친 듯이 올려줍니다. 미친 듯이. 얘가 완전히 마르기 전에 요 위에를 살짝 모양을 내주시면 돼요. 원하시는 대로. 큐팁 나머지 닦아내주시면 돼요. I'm gonna apply foundation. If you have oily skin, go for a matte foundation. If you have dry skin, go for like satin finish or dewy finish foundation. 요거는 살짝 medium, 중간, like semi matte. 저는 dry skin을 가졌기 때문에 I have dry skin. So I like to mix this highlighting drop from Gucci. You could add face oil, tint, or moisturizer. You could make it more liquidy if you feel like your foundation is too matte. 섞어서 Whoa, I forgot something. Still a color corrector. If you have severe dark circle, use color corrector. Don't use several layers of concealer. I'm using this too. peach랑 dark orange together. 이 상태에서 파운데이션을 더 받아가지고 블렌드 해보겠어. I'm bleeding again. I'm bleeding. Don't freak out, please. Now concealer, just a little bit under the eyes. Wow, I'm almost done with this. 그 다음에 여기 클린 해줘야 되니까 이런 식으로. I don't have no more. 다른 컨실러 쓰겠습니다. This is from Hourglass. I need to get the Shiseido one. Wherever you want to highlight, go for it. I'm going to use a sponge for under the eyes. This concealer is too light for me. So here you can clean up. Squeeze and flick it. Flick it. This Fenty Beauty Amber Contour Stick. I'm gonna get the product directly to the brush. Right under the cheekbone. A little bit on my forehead and under the jawline. 조금 더 플랫한 브러쉬로 이렇게 살살살살살살 little by little add the color. Because of the lighting you cannot really see it, but I definitely see it. It's pretty strong and kind of connect to the eyebrows. 그 다음은 bronzer, Say bronzer. 아마존에서 사실 수 있어요. 한국에선 팔지 않아요. Like right above the sculpting. A little bit higher point. 광대뼈 튀어나온 부분에 색깔 칠해주시면 돼요. Again, no rubbing. Pat, pat, patting motion. 두들겨서 색칠해주세요. Right above your eyebrow. 코끝에다가도 하면 코가 높아 보일 수 있고. Okay, let's finish the eyebrows. Ramen eyebrow pencil. 약간 eyebrow brush. 본인의 헤어 색깔에 맞는 아이섀도우로 색깔을 칠해주시면 되는데 I remember Yejin had super light kind of platinum blonde hair. So ash color, ash 컬러를 사용하세요. 약간 ash taupe. So I use this type of color. I think 예진 님도 이런 걸 사용하셔도 될 것 같고 더 밝은 걸 사용하셔도 될 것 같아요. 그냥 이렇게 한 후에 마음에 안 드는 부분이 있으면 컨실러 브러쉬를 사용해서 컨실러를 살짝 바른 다음에 사실 컨실러를 바르지도 않았어요. 그렇지만 파우더를 칠하지 않았기 때문에 아직은 그냥 브러쉬만으로도 수정이 가능합니다. Let's set the under eye. Make sure the concealer didn't sit in the crease. This is Charlotte Tilbury setting powder. Use a little puff and then go. I don't think I use a blush particularly, but I think I use this Bronze Goddess Estee Lauder bronzer. Oh my god. I use this bronzer just like a blush. First I started from the outside. And I use a little bit on the nose. And then I brought a little bit like right here as well. Yeah, so I basically apply all over. Outside, inside. All over. For the highlighter, I use this Stila highlighter. A little bit on the nose, on the bridge of my nose, inner corner. And I use bigger blending brush. cheekbones. 속눈썹을 붙였는데 가닥 속눈썹을 붙였어요. 거의 다 왔는데 말이죠. We're almost there. We're almost there. This individual lashes, I like it a lot. Except that the bend is not like strong enough. They tend to get like torn apart. So you have to like really be gentle to get the product. Other than that, I love the shape of it. It looks very natural. It's just pretty. It's just really pretty. I'm gonna apply one more mascara just because I want my own lashes to be thicker so that I can notice where it's empty more easily. This is from MAC Stack Mascara. And you can apply the same mascara on the under eyelashes, but I like to use this one from MAC. So this is what I'm gonna use only for my under eyelashes. I normally put the 11mm on the outer corner, maybe one or two, and then 10mm at the center. So that's what I'm gonna do. I know it doesn't make a big difference, but I see the difference. In person, you will see the difference. After you put on how many ever lashes you want, one more time with the mascara, but be careful, the mascara could take away the lashes, so just like very gently, just on the root, you just kind of a little bit like wiggle, and then you could kind of like, it's kind of like pushing motion at the end of the lashes. For the lip, I just use one product. Surprise! It was MAC lipstick Yash. It's like beigey nude color. So that's it. Different lighting. 저 기억나시나요? Thank you for watching, guys. This was my first requested video, so I was so excited. Thank you for requesting this video. 감사합니다, 예진님. So guys, you ask, I give. Leave your name and your request. I'll make a video for you. It's going to be for you, customized video. I know it's going to be for everybody, but you saw what I've done. Any question, requests, I would love to have that. I would love to have some response. And yeah, I'll see you on the next video. 예진님 만나서 반가웠어요. I hope you like this video. Take care. Bye.